Back to Daytime Live. We're still here with Stacious, who is going to perform for us. Of course, you know we love that. It's been a while since you've been doing music, and we have been seeing you mostly in the capacity of scroll up. I don't remember.
Hosting, you
right?
know, hosting duties. So are you working on your album currently, or are you concentrating more on hosting or the music? What you do?
Definitely music. I do host certain events, and of course, I had my own radio show, which I've kind of gone on hiatus from. But I'm definitely putting a lot of energy into my music. I have my own recording studio now, so therefore I have liberty.
No.
That's called Boss Woman.
Listen,
I love it.
Certified. You soon
Yes.
get a Grammy. So tell us about the song that you'll be performing.
Pick up the management team. So yeah, we have put together the recording studio so I can basically work at Liberty, and I'm doing a lot of singles, but not directly say an album just now.
Okay,
Right.
so tell us about the single that you'll be doing for us now.
Okay, so this one is titled Pray. It's produced by Boise Records on the Loyalty Rhythm. Yeah.
All right, awesome sauce. Well,
That's amazing. You need a
Stages,
backing
right?
dancer?
Thank you.
No,
Joe,
come.
No,
Well, unless
no?
you got shankle dip, can you know?
No, me I go come back. Later, I'm going to shankle dip for you.
Stacious, take it away.
Thank
Come,
you.
Come.
Dear Father God, it's your picnic. Coming to you, yeah, once more. Me, I beg you for help and your guidance, strength, and send me one cure. Cure for the wicked where you fight me, and a cure for the tongue where you walk when I like me. A plot for me fall down nightly. A new vex and me blessed and lifted up highly. So I pray. I know there's power in your name. Oh God, I pray for my enemies the same. Listen me now. May I pray for the blessings like rain. Pray for your heavy shower, wash away the pain and hurt and anger. Make me forgive who me help and trust, but them just not love me no longer. God, you know me soul and me intent. Flesh weak, so me beg for forgiveness frequent. Remove all of the dark thought, granting me a peaceful and pure heart. I pray. I know there's power in your name. Oh God, I pray for my enemies the same. Plead my cause, oh Jaja. Beg you don't rebuke me in anger. Me I pray for help and for live life longer. I pray for me mother get stronger. Thank you for mercy. Thank you for protection. Thank you for guidance. Thou art my light and salvation. Say I pray. Know there's power in your name. Oh God, I pray for my enemies the same. Dear Father God, it's your picnic. Coming to you, yeah, once more. Me, I beg you for help and your guidance, strength, and send me one cure. Cure for the wicked where you fight me, and a cure for the tongue where you walk when I like me. A plot for me fall down nightly, a new vex and me blessed and lifted up highly. I pray. I know there's power in your name. Oh God, I pray for my enemies the same. Say I pray. There's power in your name. Oh God, I pray for my enemies the same. I might have heard yourself. Take time.
I pray.
No, it's a praying song we are walking to. What is?
Oh, sorry.
It's a praying song.
Hold on. She's here. I pray. Yes, that's better. Woo. Yes. Thank you.
We don't try
Just
something
want to
like
lift
it.
up my hand right now.
And of course, right now we're gonna sing out.
Sing out.
Let me hear you trick.
Hey.
Fall down night.
Hey.
Here it now.
It's just a prayer, ready?
Hey.
Say I pray.
Hey.
I know there's power in your name.
time live.
Wishing
We're in
you,
the studio
yes,
praying.
wishing you a happy Heroes Day. Catch us back on Tuesday for much more buzz,
Chat.
vibe, and mix.
That's right.